Shout out to all my subscribers. I'm here now at the lobby of the Novotel Lugano Paradiso Hotel, waiting for our group tour to embark. At 9:20 a.m., we reached Como, a most famous city in the Lombardy region of northern Italy, located at the southern tip of Lake Como and right near the Swiss border. We are now at the walking tour at the Piazza Alessandro Volta, a charming square that pays tribute to the illustrious scientist Alessandro Volta. Piazza Volta are the plaza localities used as a drop-off point of many tour buses. It has many restaurants, cafes, and shops, and lively atmosphere.
Only five. Oh, yes, but you know. Yeah, but the other was behind it. Then I had the three, I had the two, I had one where they were going. No, Indian people are listening.
My attention was caught by this black bird that landed on the table. Look at his disfigured feet. Thanks God it can still fly. Tourists enjoy watching and observing birds and playing with them.
One of his employees had fly all around the house.
Kasi may bibigay ng pagkain.
They had its wings clipped and they would like sleep with it.
Except for a little older than you. You can enjoy them.
I took the photo of Swarovski store in Como, Piazza di Como, as I love their sparkling crystal creations. We are now here in Porto di Como, located in the region of Lombardy in Italy. Perfect place to moor your boat. It is nestled in the heart of beautiful town of Como. Visitors can enjoy scenic boat rides around the lake or simply relax in one of the quaint waterfront cafes or enjoy the tranquility and beauty of the Italian shores. We are now waiting for the ferry boat that will take us in touring Trimeso, a city in the province of Como, an Italian region in Lombardy. So follow us to see the most captivating section of Lake Como. Thanks for watching. God bless. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and see you on our next escapade.